Welcome to Kamet Kitchen. Today's recipe is stuffed pigeons. The idea of eating pigeons is not a new one. Egyptians have been eating them since about 3,000 years before Christ. Even then, pigeons was considered a delicacy amongst the ancient Egyptian people. All you need for this recipe is 6 cleaned pigeons, 2.5 cups of white Egyptian rice, 2 onions, 1 carrot, 1 tomato, bay leaves, celery, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, pinch of cinnamon, pinch of cumin, 2 cardamom pieces, 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. In a small pot, melt the butter with the vegetable oil, then add 1 chopped onion, stir for a minute, then add the rice, salt, pepper, nutmeg, cumin, and cinnamon. Keep stirring for another minute. Now, in a big pot, add water, 1 onion, celery, carrot, tomato, bay leaves, and cardamom, salt, and some stone black pepper. Leave them until the water boils very well. Now start stuffing the pigeons from the inside 3/4 only to give a chance for the rice to cook well and double in size. After you finish, just close the legs together. Then start stuffing the skin from the neck very slowly and carefully so it doesn't cut. Move your finger gently to separate the skin from the meat, to let the rice be stuffed all over the pigeon. Remember not to overstuff the pigeons as the rice will double in size. After stuffing all the pigeons, put them in the boiling water. If you have extra rice left, you can just cook them as normal rice. After the water boils, lower the heat to the lowest and cover the pot. It takes about 30 minutes to cook. After the pigeons are cooked, heat some ghee with oil and start frying the pigeons from all sides. I like to serve pigeons with green molokhaya. You'll find the recipe in another video in my channel. Now the pigeons are ready to be served. You can add some fried onions and fried raisins to the top of the cooked rice. It gives it a special taste. If you like this recipe and want to know more Egyptian recipes, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.